Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Patriot turn signal. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Now, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly, where the turn signal bulb is located. This simple repair can save you a trip to the mechanic. Once the hood is open, you'll see the headlight assembly. Look for 2 retaining screws positioned on the top of the assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove both of these screws completely. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will slide out, revealing the wiring and bulb sockets behind it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, after you're done with your car repairs, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the headlight assembly pulled forward, you can now easily identify the turn signal bulb socket. It's typically a distinct color, often orange or yellow. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Then, insert your new replacement bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.